Hi, I'm Caroline, part of the Trend and Style team at Lowe's, and today we're talking tile, specifically subway tile. Usually when you think of subway, it's done in a simple brick pattern, but we're going to take this classic white tile and show you 5 modern and unexpected ways of using it. For the first design, we stacked the tile horizontally. This clean and simple option looks great on the backsplash and shower wall. We opted for white, but if you really want to make the tile stand out, use a dark gray or black grout, giving the room a more industrial or masculine feel. Vertical stacking of subway is a popular style these days. By offsetting the tiles, you're creating a unique look that can withstand the test of time. In this third pattern, we've taken a herringbone motif and turned it on its side for a stair-stepper effect. Carrying it seamlessly from the tub to the shower gives the room a cohesive look. If you're ready to mix it up, there are plenty of other tiles to choose from. Subway now comes in an endless assortment of colors, finishes, and materials. On this backsplash, we used a brick repeat in blue, and then vertically stacked the white ceramic in between. The basket we've designed is probably the most playful and updated of all the options we're showing you. To up the ante, try using 2 different colors of subway. An aqua blue or blush pink tile would pack a colorful punch on a shower wall, making it a fun choice for a kid's bathroom. We hope we've inspired you to think outside the box when it comes to using subway tile in new and interesting ways. If you're ready to update your bathroom, watch our next video on how to install tile.